benefit from whatever you could offer us. So, as you have seen, this school and some schools in Marikina are having this tablet ed. While in the public schools, we also have our e-learning or online learning. While we may have a different mechanics, but there, the bottom line is the educational sector in Marikina is definitely gearing towards the adoption of technology inside the classroom, because we all believe that we've got to go with the trend, or else we might be extinct. Because if we still keep on using the old way of teaching, we may not be able to keep abreast with what the children know that they get from the environment. So with your visit, we are thankful, and of course with the leadership of Mr. Casilla, leading all other private schools to have the tablet ed, as they call it in the private schools. So one day, how we wish that Marikina will be in the limelight again, leading our way in the educational sector because of the technology inside the classroom. So thank you so much. What we guys, if ever you want to visit also one school in the public school, just let us know. We could show you also. Of course, I would like you first to give full assistance to our private schools first. As for me, while we also need assistance, but first, of course, they need your assistance.
They visited one public school yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, in Parañaque. Yeah, I think in Parañaque.
So that's a
public university, as city university.
Okay. So here is in the elementary, the public school, that we also have this one. We have a partnership with a Korean company. But I'm not saying that because we already have partnership with the Korean company, we are closing our door. No. Whatever partnership we could foresee to the different companies outside the Philippines, we welcome this undertaking. So in
I'd like to believe coordinating with public school is also in your line.
So if I may say something also, our company has actually was engaged to do research and development to build computer classrooms for the public schools through DepEd.
Oh.
DOSD.
With DOSD. So, kinakasip po.
Yeah. So,
kailangan din namin ma-understand yung materials.
okay. So just in case you would want to visit the public schools in Marikina, we have two schools which pioneered the e-learning, online learning. And of course, now it's ubiquitous learning because somehow they learn through online and they learn also through offline. We have the technology because we make use of our own modules. Somehow, with the bigger resources that we have in the public schools, we are trying to provide in these particular schools whatever needs and
So the districts have their own autonomy, so to speak, aside from the districts coming from.
Yes. There is that initiative coming from the DepEd Central. But as far as the DepEd Central, they just provide us some computers, something like that. But as for our own initiative, as of today, with the help, other than the computers that we receive from the DepEd Central, our mayor, good mayor also, provide us some computers. And as for the training of teachers, we have that our initiative training all the teachers. In the elementary, we have the digitized learning materials. Teachers make lessons and they try to digitize this. And they make use of television sets or the projectors, put all of the lessons there, and there goes the teaching. So somehow the strategy is the old way, but infused with technology. That's what I